projection welding. Projection welding is a modified form of resistance spot welding where a number of spot welds are achieved simultaneously. To understand the concept of projection welding, let us consider two pieces, say a flat metal sheet and a nut, and try to join them together. We see that the nut has some projections on its one surface. Now let us place this nut on the metal sheet such that only the projections are in contact with the sheet. Then we place the workpieces between two electrodes, which are connected to the secondary terminals of a step-down transformer, whose primary terminals are connected to an AC power supply. Now let us move the electrodes towards each other so that workpieces are tightly gripped between them. Now as we switch on the power supply, we see that current flows through the nut and the sheet via projections. Since the contact resistance at the projections is high, we see that a large amount of heat is produced there, due to which projections melt. Now let us tighten the grip around the workpieces by applying some force on both the electrodes. We see that the molten projections get squeezed between the workpieces and solidify to form multiple weld spots. The number of weld spots formed is equal to the number of projections. This process of joining two workpieces by forming weld spots in the place of projections is called projection welding. Thus we can say that projection welding is a modified form of resistance spot welding process where the workpieces are joined by localized heating and application of pressure at the projections to form multiple weld spots simultaneously. Projection welding is commonly used in welding door hinges and C-frame in window panels. Some of the main advantages of projection welding are as follows. Welding occurs uniformly. Different metals with different thicknesses can be welded. Process is economical for large-scale production. Some of the main disadvantages of projection welding are as follows. Projections cannot be made in thin workpieces. For proper welding, all the projections must be of the same height. Related terms are